This video will walk you through the steps of downloading and using the PowerSchool Parent Portal account on your Apple phone. The first thing you should do is click the App Store button. Once the App Store loads, click Search. Then at the top, you can search PowerSchool. You'll click PowerSchool, and you'll see the PowerSchool Mobile. Select Get. You might need to double-click the power button on the right side in order to install, depending on your settings. Once that's done, you'll see it downloading, and we'll wait for that to get done. Once it's complete, you're going to select Open. I like to allow notifications from PowerSchool. At this point, you'll need to enter the district code. The district code is LPFH, and then hit Continue. You'll know that you entered the correct code when you see Albemarle County Public Schools at the top. At this point, you'll enter your username and password, and then select Go. And now you'll see that your dashboard has loaded. You'll have your options at the bottom to navigate through. To change your student, click on the top right-hand side, select your student, and then you can see their information there. Hopefully this video was helpful in learning how to download and use the parent portal within PowerSchool.